The 2026 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon blends iconic off-road capability with modern comfort and tech, making it a top choice for adventure seekers. It features rugged upgrades like locking differentials, heavy-duty axles, and advanced 4R4 systems, while offering a new hybrid powertrain for better fuel efficiency. Jeep has refreshed the exterior with a sleeker grille and improved lighting, and the interior now includes a larger touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and upgraded safety features. Though it's still not the most fuel-efficient or city-friendly SUV, the Rubicon remains unmatched when it comes to tackling tough terrain with style and confidence.